No. Todd just told me not to go under the big bale in case it falls, because he's pretty sure this outweighs me. This is a very fun thing during the winter. We put this huge net over this 3x3x8 bale of hay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get out of Todd's way because he's got 3 spears and he's coming at me. Alright, so what he's going to do is lay this bale here on its, oh, is he holding it up for me? Oh, this is even better. So he's holding it at the end is lifted here for me, so I better hustle up here. So one of the important things for the horse health aspect of this is during winter storms or spring storms is to make sure that horses have plenty of nourishment, because their metabolic system works so that when they have the more hay that they have, the warmer they get, or that's how they stay warm, versus, which is different than us, where we when we digest stuff, we get a little bit colder. But when they digest, because of their complex gut system, it fuels them, it makes them warmer. And so even more importantly than having blankets, if they have plenty of fuel, then they'll stay warm. Cool, and I'll go open the gate for Todd. So another thing that you will see over here is that Todd's going to put this big bale on some plywood there. And that's more or less to prevent the mud from infiltrating the big bale of hay. And that is how we put the big hay bales out on the tracks. Beautiful.